Welcome to my channel All Stars Biography. Please watch all video about Priyanka Chopra lifestyle. Priyanka Chopra is the most stunning and stylish Bollywood actress as well as singer who appeared as one of the most renowned and top-rated profile personalities in India. She was born on the 18th of July 1982 in Jamshedpur, India. Her mum Madhu Chopra and father Ashik Chopra are doctors. Priyanka Chopra married to Nick Jonas, a well-known American musician and actor, in the year 2018. Her father worked as a surgeon in Indian Army. Priyanka joined Newton North High School, Massachusetts and afterward moved ahead with Cedar Rapids, Iowa's John F. Kennedy High School prior completing her education from Army Public High School, Bareilly. Priyanka Chopra joined Jai Hind College, Mumbai with the intention of pursuing her graduation though left it after winning the title of Miss World pageant. Priyanka has deep sympathy for suffering mortality and has been keenly participating in charity chores in USA and India, after winning the title of Miss World. She was ambassador of CII and CAF and supported in their learning program. An active member of a support group who works for thalassemia children in India. Linked with adult education cognizance program in environs of Bareilly. Contributed in church program with the sole intention of raising funds for destitute in Boston, USA. Priyanka Chopra made her first acting debut with the Bollywood movie Andaz. Her co-stars in the film were Miss Universe Lara Dutta and Akshay Kumar. Priyanka Chopra received 2 awards for this movie. Her subsequent movie Aitraz was not a mega-hit but she was highly admired for her negative character in the movie. For the movie Hero, she received Stardust Award 2003 in the nominations for New Female Actress in Supporting Role. The film Krish is the most popular film of Priyanka's career. She has been coupled opposite Hrithik Roshan in this movie playing the character of a superhero. Priyanka has also appeared with most popular Bollywood heroes like Salman Khan in Salami-Ishq and Shah Rukh Khan in the movie Don. Priyanka Chopra was also nominated as Sexiest Woman of Asia for the year 2006 in Eastern Eye. This renowned Bollywood actress has also been the brand ambassador of a few greatly reputed brands such as Garnier, Tag Heuer, Pepsi, Nestlé, Nokia, and more. Facts you never knew about Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra was born in a family of doctors, as her father and mother were physicians in Indian Army. Owing to regular transfers of her parents, Priyanka settled in a number of places such as Lucknow, Bareilly, Pune, Delhi, Chandigarh, Ladakh, Mumbai, Ambala, and USA. Once completing her high school education, she took part in a local beauty competition titled May Queen, which she ultimately won. She won Femina Miss India contest in 2000 in 18 years of age. Although Priyanka Chopra planned to pursue her career in criminal psychology, after winning Miss India competition, she changed the idea as she was getting offers for many films. A number of individuals believe that Priyanka made her acting debut with the movie The Hero, Love Story of a Spy, but in reality, she made her first acting debut with a Tamil movie titled Tamilan. Priyanka Chopra education qualification, 12th standard. School, La Martiniere Girls' School, Lucknow Street. Maria Goretti College, Bareilly Newton North High School in Newton, Massachusetts John F. Kennedy High School in Cedar Rapids, Lower Army School, Bareilly. College, Jai Hind College and Basant Singh Institute of Science, Mumbai. Priyanka Chopra career profession, actress, model, singer. Debut TV series, movie. Film debut, Tamilan 2002, Tamil film, The Hero, Love Story of a Spy 2003, Bollywood film, TV debut, Fear Factor, Katrin K. Kaladi 2010, as host, singing debut, Alathai Kilath 2002, Tamil film, Tamilan 2002, salary, 9 to 10 crore, film, INR $4 million per year for TV show, USR. Net worth, $28 million. Family and relatives: father, late Ashik Chopra, physician in Indian Army. Mother, Madhu Chopra, physician in Indian Army. Brothers, Siddharth Chopra, younger. Sisters, none. Marital status, married. Husband, boyfriend, Nick Jones 2017 present. Sons, N.A. Daughters, N.A. Ex-boyfriends. Asim Merchant, model, Akshay Kumar, actor. Harman Baweja, actor. Shah Rukh Khan, actor. Rumor, Shahid Kapoor, actor. Priyanka Chopra favorites hobbies, singing, writing poems, reading, photography. Favorite actor, Matthew McConaughey, Tom Hardy, Mel Gibson, Shah Rukh Khan, Kishore Kumar and Dharmendra. Favorite actress, Rekha and Sushmita Sen. Favorite food, risotto, burgers, French fries, chicken, mutton biryani, fish curry, sarson ka saag, bourbon biscuits, red velvet cake. Favorite destination, Paris, Brazil and Mexico. Favorite color, black. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel All Stars Biography.